Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change pictures shape in Canva. So we're here in Canva now, and all we need is a free account, as I have one here. Now I'm going to look for some photos or pictures. Let's go to photos. Now you can choose anything from the list, but I'll choose the one I used recently. This lovely older couple. And now we want to change the shape of this photo. We need to look for frames. Now let's see them all. Choose one frame with the shape that you want photo to be looking right. Now we need to just drag and move the photo to the shape, and as you can see it has changed, and now we have a photo with this particular shape. Now with this photo being changed, we can still edit it and add some filters or crop it or whatever we like, and just add a filter, change the filter, so should show you that you can still edit it. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.